Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks the push. Make sure you have an Azure DevOps organization and a project. Once done, install Git and sign into Azure CLI or authenticate in the web UI. Initialize your local repo with Git init, add a clear. Git ignore and readme, then stage files. This step ensures the remote is ready and local history is clean. Doing this first prevents permission and merge headaches later. Now you connect the local repo to Azure DevOps. Create a repo in the project if needed, then copy its HTTPS or SSH URL. Add that as a remote and explain why. Remotes map your local history to the cloud, enabling collaboration. Stage and commit with meaningful messages, set your primary branch name to main or master, and push using git push uorigin main. If you use SSH keys, make sure the public key is added to your DevOps profile before pushing. Finish by verifying your files and commit history in the Azure DevOps web interface. Once confirmed, configure branch policies and a CI pipeline to enforce quality and automate builds. Make sure permissions and repo settings match team expectations. If the push fails, check authentication first. Credentials, PAT, or SSH keys. Next, confirm the remote URL and branch name, then resolve merge conflicts locally and push again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.